I have been sent to exterminate you weak humans. It is pointless to resist. We are superior.
In the battle of man versus machine, no one stands a chance against THD 3000. Sent back in time to eradicate humankind, this cold, calculated killing machine will stop at nothing in his quest to search and destroy. Its 7-foot-tall bionic body radiates with bright, energy-efficient LED light, casting shadows on fleshy and forlorn trick-or-treaters as it prepares them for processing. Those calculations are captured two ways: a big blinking humanoid eye and a laser that scans red. His left arm was lost years ago, replaced with a full-size bionic blue blade, while his right hand is scarred with the terror of his technical transformation. Cables, coils, and cords in the neck and chest keep this cyborg mechanized and mean. Get this robot to rock and its programming kicks in. Servo motors in the neck, arms, and head bring this sadistic cyborg into action as its systems calibrate and it begins to speak.
Your chances of escape are less than 1%. Goodbye.
For THD 3000, the world is written in ones and zeros, and you are nothing more than a simple subtraction. Happy Halloween, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.